Now to change a bit, in this case, you can do the line. So in this case, I wouldn't say to make it faster if you have a class. I like to break the line no more than 4 people per line, okay? And that way there's not that much of a lag time, and they kind of do the position once, and then the partner kind of goes. In this case, I'm just using 3 students for the sake of demonstrating. This is the double pin spinning around 12 o'clock, okay? So partner, first I'm gonna do the explanation, and later we're gonna do the flow just with the numbers, okay? So here, partner 1, double pin, stop there. Make sure that my legs don't get up, so he has full control. He starts moving towards 9 o'clock. He leaves one hand, and the other one blocks and pulls against the ground. Stay there. Now he starts to circle towards 12 o'clock and lands diagonal on the shoulder. Oh, back again. One more time. Double pin. Walk around. Keep one hand. The other hand posts. Circle far. Diagonal landing. Good. Awesome. Next. All right. And you can, after they do enough, you can just go numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So try to break down in 4 steps. Okay, carry it. Double pin. Walk around. Keep the hand. Push yourself away. Keep your feet out. Keep walking on your hands. Circle and grab. Nice. Very good. One more round. I'm not going to say anything. I'm going to just count now. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Make sure that you finish on 4. Number 2. Ready? 1. Oh, don't let it lift. 2, 3, and 4. Good. Number 3. Slow. Hold on. Make sure you have control. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Nice.